all started 30 odd years ago, 30 something, and that is, when I spotted her walking across the concourse of the college and said to my buddy, "That's the one I'm gonna marry." He looks at me and thought, "What the heck is this guy smoking?" Well, I proved him wrong. 30 something years now. I think 36 years we've been together. This year will be our 30th anniversary, married. Best years of my life. And I'm sure, like all of you guys out there, sometimes we don't appreciate the ones we love. Don't show them as much as we should. Doesn't mean we love them any less or anything. It's just that guys would be guys, I guess. So she really doesn't need anything, and I thought, make her a little keepsake. She appreciated that a lot more than me going out and spending something expensive. So I got her that, made her this little thing, and got her a trip. So we're gonna go away to a nice beach for a week, and a little gift. And she's happy, and I'm happy. Happy Valentine's Day to everybody out there. Hope you enjoyed this. So I found this pattern online. I did not draw it, design it, somebody else's, and you can find a lot of nice things online for free, and also purchase whatever way you want to go. Thought this was the best one for what I wanted, and I decided to do the oak. I broke a lot of blades. Working with a thick piece of oak is challenging. Some of it was my fault, pushing a little bit too hard, impatiently. But overall, it was okay. It was a rough finish. It was hard to sand down. But like I said, it was a challenge, and I did it. Didn't take too long, a few hours.